Hey friends, it's Becky Bridgem, and I wanted to come and do a quick video of a life hack slash outlet sale highlight video post thing because we have an outlet sale going on right now in 31. We have them usually once or twice a year. Fantastic prices on so many things. But a couple of things I want to show you today all have to do with health and fitness because we're entering the new year. A lot of times people have fitness goals, they have wellness goals, which is good, right? It's a great time to reset, especially after the holidays. And I wanted to show you 5 of my favorite products that will help you stay on track with your health and fitness goals this January through the whole year. I mean, the reality is if you are going to change your life, you have to change your habits and change them for more than a resolution, right? It's just creating habits that you can sustain and that serve you, right? That make you feel good. And so a couple products. One, I'm so excited to share with you. This is a crossbody strap, okay? This was an add-on. We used to have these customizable purses years ago, and we had all these different fun straps. So if you go on the outlet sale, there's maybe like 5 or 6 different color straps. There are 2 that will work for this. So this is a canvas strap, and as you can see, it's just a purse strap that I have hooked, just a little loop, and it will go around your yoga mat. It's adjustable, right? So if you have a mat that's thicker, it's going to adjust, and it's because it's this canvas and it's the canvas is thick and the little hook, it's like a little oval, it will stay. So I can strap it around my yoga mat, and I can take this with me if I'm going to the gym, if I'm going to practice at a yoga studio. What a great idea, right? And this strap is $2.99 in our outlet sale. So I think it's just a real fun life hack. If you do yoga and you want a way to kind of manage your mat, this is a great option for you, okay? So that's my first product that I'm gonna show you. Then I'm gonna show you some that I use every day in my gym bag. So I go work out every morning, and this is my bag I use. This is the Journey backpack, not on sale, but all the products that I'm gonna show you are on sale. So the first one I'm going to show you is this Half Moon card wallet. So it's just a little card wallet. You can attach a wrist strap to it if you want. I use it to keep my headphones in because the problem is even if you have AirPods in a case or you have wired headphones, they get tangled. I don't want these to get lost in the bottom of my bag. So I keep them in this case so they're easier to find and harder to lose, okay? So this is another one that's on sale. Then I want to show you what's on the inside. So when you are looking to make healthy choices, you want to make sure that you have healthy snacks and water at the ready. So if you are out of the house working or you're doing errands, you're running around with kids, you're doing drop-offs and pickups, so many times you're hungry and you're thirsty and you're driving through a drive-through, right? Because you're just hungry. Like I get hungry all the time. It's not a bad thing, but it's good to be prepared. So one of my favorite things is our clear clip pouch. So there's a couple different colors of these that are on sale. They're thermal lined, so you can even put, an ice pack and some cheese sticks or some tuna. I always have snacks with me because you never know when you're going to get stuck out of the house, stuck in a traffic jam, or at the grocery store, wherever where you're like, I'm hungry and I want to eat right now, and if not, I'm going to go buy a Big Mac, right? So have a clear clip pouch. This is also good for your kids. A lot of times when you're dragging your kids around town, they're hungry too. I remember when I used to pick up my kiddos from school, I would they'd get in the car and I had a pouch like this and I would just pass around the pouch. I had granola bars and like little snacks to just help them make it till we got home to have real food, right? So clear clip pouch, definitely on sale. And I'm going to post a couple pictures of the options that are the color options. Okay. Also, our Ruby Mini. So now you can use your Ruby Mini or you can use a large zipper pouch, but this is if you are working out at the gym and you use exercise bands or a jump rope, anything that can get tangled, this keeps them tidy. So even if you're at home and you're using exercise bands or a jump rope or stretchy bands, some of them that tie, ropes, the pouches help them stay contained and they help you use them more often. If you have them with you, if you have them ready to go, if I know a friend who keeps a pouch like this in her desk of her exercise bands, so when she's like in the middle of the day and she's kind of feeling lethargic, she can grab her bands and do a couple different exercises. So that's one I always carry around. And then the last one I'll show you is our organizing zip case. I have shown this before because this has literally been in my bag for years now. It's on sale. I think it's like $14.99. The cool thing about this is I like it because it's structured. Like you could have a mini zipper pouch which is good for an emergency kit, but kind of everything kind of falls in one, like, you know, lump. So the organizing zip case is great because it has these little like elastic pouches and also little elastic bands, and it also has a zipper case. So this is my emergency bag in my gym bag, the bag I carry all the time. It's got deodorant, it's got hair ties, it's got highlighters, pens, Band-Aids, Neosporin, deodorant, anything I can need in a pinch, I have in this case, right? So again, keeping me healthy and strong when I'm on the go is just being prepared, okay? So couple recaps: the organizing zip pouch is on sale, our Ruby Mini is on sale, our clear clip pouch for snacks on the go, our Half Moon for your AirPods or headphones if you don't want them to get tangled, and then my favorite life hack of all is our crossbody strap hacked into a yoga mat carrier. I'm pretty proud of myself for this one. I don't think anyone else has come up with this idea, but I think it's pretty smart. $2.99, can't beat it. I hope you guys have a great day. Shop that outlet sale. If you shop by the end of the month, you'll get entered to win our Gives giveaway if you round up your order to help Girls on the Run. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day and healthy and happy new year. Talk to you later, friends.